Hi, I'm Katalin, the creator of Creative English in Hungary, and I am here on behalf of Expert Village. Today I'm going to show you how to make gingerbread man for Christmas. Alright, so there comes the fun bit of it, choosing the shapes. Maybe I will need a little bell too. Good, and of course a star. Good. Okay, so let's press your little shape into the dough and then just move it really gently to take it away, and then and then press it straight on the sheet, and then you can try it with another shape, just like that. And then press it on again. Okay, now comes a Christmas tree. It just fits here. It just fits here. Okay, press it in, move it a little bit, just like that.